question there is given an array and zero index array, okay, and you just have to find the peak element, and after finding the peak element you just have to return its index. So what is the peak element? Peak element is which is strictly greater than its neighbor, okay. So you have to return the strictly greater element, index of strictly greater element, okay. So so let's take an example. Here is given an array which is of size 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 1. 1, 2, 3, 1. And the 0, 1, 2, 3. So you have to find the peak element which is strictly greater. Strictly greater. Okay. So you have to check whether 1 is strictly greater than its neighbor. So no, this is not greater. And again I will check 2 is strictly greater than its neighbor. 2 is greater than 1 but it is not greater than 3. And then again I will check for 3. If 3 is greater than 2, yes, and 3 is greater than 1 also. So the greater element here will be 3. And again I will check if 1 is greater than 3. No. So here the condition will be contradict and you just have to return the 3 only. Okay. In the same way you have to check for this also. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 3, 3, 5, 6 and 4. Okay, you have to check the peak element. Okay, so first you will check the peak element here, which is 1 is great, no, neither greater than this or not greater than this. So you just have the greater element will be nothing. And again I will check for 2. Yeah, 2 is greater than this and this, so I will write the 2 here. And for 1 it is not greater than its neighbor, so I will not write this. And again I will check for 3. It is greater than 1 but it is not greater than 5, so I will not write this. I will check for 5 also. It is greater than 3 but it is not greater than 6. And then I will check for 6. It is greater than 5 and greater than 4. So you just have to rewrite the value of greater element, which is 6. Okay. And then 4 you have to check it is greater than 6. No. So this will contradict and you just have to return the index of this. Here you also return the index of third element, which is 2. Okay. So you just have to return the 2. And here also you have to return the index 0, 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Okay, so you just have to return the 5. You have to return the 5, the index of 5. Okay, so let's do this. First you have to create int l equals to 0, which is initially at 0, and r is nums dot size minus 1. Okay, while l is less than r, you just have to find the mid. Int mid equals to l plus r by 2. Okay, you have to find the mid, and then you have to check if nums of mid is greater than nums of mid plus 1. Then you just have to r equals to mid. Okay, else you just have to l equals to mid plus 1, and after this you just have to return the l which is left. So let's run this code. Yeah, this code works fine. Let's submit this. Yeah, this has been accepted. Thanks for watching.